GSIS Ginhawa Loan Program for Government Employees, 60K. So naka-avail na ba kayo, friends? Ito yung GSIS latest news for government employees. As of today, naka-avail na po ako nito. Allow me to share my loan application. Baka interested din kayo. Ito po. By the way, disclaimer, ang content natin is based from research sa website ni GSIS. So kanina nag-check tayo. So I discovered merong GSIS Ginhawa Loan Program. 60K po yung ma-avail. So nag-apply po tayo. Ito po yung loan details. Again, 60K po yung loan amount, pero may deduction yan. Actually, ang makuha natin, if mag-avail tayo, is only 58,910.67 kasi may deductions na 1,089.33. So, ang interest rate per annum is 6%, 3 years term. Application for loan is through the GSIS Touch mobile app. Of course, using your laptop or cellphone, pwede na po mag-apply. Active members with permanent appointment and no defaulted GSIS loans ang eligibility. Pasok tayo dito. And ang monthly amortization, if ma-approve, 1,966.67. Okay ito na loan ni GSIS if okay din yung net pay ninyo. So kung medyo malaki pa yung net pay ninyo and may project kayo, plano kayo magbili ng laptop, desktop, cellphone, ito yung perfect na loan ni GSIS if yan po yung purpose natin. Alright? Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless. And 2 thumbs up.